Welcome students. In the previous class we understood about certain words and phrases which introduce some appositive or some appositive phrases. In today's class we are going to understand yet another topic that is called connotation and denotation. So let's understand what are these terms and why these are important for us to understand, and what are the differences between them and how to use them in our day-to-day English. So let's understand what is a denotation. Let's firstly understand that, and then we will understand about connotation, and after that we will understand the difference between the two. The denotation is a process of referring to a word by some symbol or its literal meaning, or we can say denotation means the act of providing the primary meaning or the literal meaning. So denotation provides literal or primary meaning, literal or primary meaning, literal or primary meaning. For example, if I say the girl is blue, so its literal meaning means blue color. So what is denotation? Denotation of blue is blue color. It means the girl is fully blue. Her face and hands are painted blue. She is wearing a blue dress. Her shoes are also blue. And if she is wearing a cap, then that is also blue. So here the girl is blue means the girl is literally blue. Okay. So here denotation refers to blue color. See another example. You are a dog. Suppose we are having a pet which is cat. Okay. So if we are referring to the fur of the cat, if we are referring to the snout of the cat, if we are referring to the fact that it is carnivorous, so we can say you are a dog. So in the literally we are saying that you are a dog because the animal is having the fur, having the snout, and the animal is carnivorous also. So in that sense we are saying that you are a dog means here denotation. In denotation, dog means carnivorous animal, having fur and snout, If we see some fur and snout in some other animal, then we can say you are a dog means you are having the traits of the dog. So it is a literal meaning. So let's understand about connotation. Connotation is just the opposite. It gives you some ideas which are associated with the word. It gives you some feelings. So we can say if there are certain synonyms of a word, then denotation will give you the similar meaning, but connotation would be very different for each of the word. So let's understand about the connotations. And then we will understand the difference between the two. Connotation. As I told you, connotation gives you some associated meaning. It doesn't provide you literal meaning. Unlike denotation, it gives you the ideas or the feelings associated with the word. Connotation refers to the ideas or the feelings associated with a word. It gives you some ideas or the feelings which are associated with a word. If we take the previous example, you are blue. This is the example, and if we refer to blue, then in connotation means if we refer to the feelings or the ideas, then it will be sad. Its meaning will be sad. So if we say you are blue, it means you are sad. This is the connotation or the associated meaning because it refers to the feelings or the ideas. See another example. You are a dog. So here connotation is ugly. If we say it may refer to a human being. If we say you are a dog, it means you are as ugly as a dog. So here, this is the connotation. It means extended meaning or some meaning that is associated with it. It gives you the feeling, it gives you the ideas. Now we will, at this point, I would say that denotation gives a certain meaning of a word, and there may be certain other words having the same or the similar meaning. So denotation would be approx the same for the synonyms of a particular word. Means literal meaning would be approx the same, but if we refer to the connotation or the meaning associated with ideas and feelings which are associated with a certain word, then these would vary. So we can say the synonyms of a word would be having widely different connotations, but if we talk about denotation, then these would be roughly the same or there would not be much difference. So let's understand what is the major difference and how the meaning of connotation may be positive, it may be negative, or it may be neutral. So let's see. Ideas or the feelings may be positive, they may be negative, they may be neutral. So let's see how it happens through examples. Extended meaning may be positive, negative, or neutral. Connotation may be positive, neutral, or negative. How it can be positive, negative or neutral? Let's see. Negative, neutral and positive. We will just see. Thin, bizarre, and domineering. Domineering. There is a word skinny. So its neutral word will be thin and positive will be slender. In the same way, bizarre, unusual, extraordinary, forceful, assertive. So here you can see that a word in connotation, a word may give positive meaning, it may give negative meaning, and it may not give positive or negative, it may be neutral also. So you can see skinny, its neutral meaning is thin and positive meaning is slender. Bizarre, its negative word and its neutral word is unusual and positive word extraordinary. In the same way, domineering. Domineering is a negative word and its neutral word is forceful and positive word is assertive. So you can easily understand how connotation has widely different meanings, and using a proper connotation for a word is a must for you. Otherwise, you may, instead of giving a positive, you may give a negative meaning. Okay, if you don't know the difference between the different type of connotations, because a word may have different meanings in terms of connotation. So you must know the difference and use them properly in your expressions so that you are able to convey the right expression. So I hope you have understood the difference between denotation and connotation, and you will use them properly in your day-to-day communication, both oral and written. So before I end, I would suggest you, if you are a new one, then you subscribe the channel, and if you are a regular one, then you recommend the channel to your friends and well-wishers. Thank you. Keep watching.